Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical topic: how to cancel rehearsal packaging on PandaBuy in 2025. If you're a frequent shopper on PandaBuy, you know that rehearsal packaging, basically an extra layer of protection for your items, can sometimes feel unnecessary, especially if you're trying to save on costs or simplify your delivery. Don't worry, I'll walk you through the process step by step, so you can do this quickly and without any hassle. First things first, make sure you're logged into your PandaBuy account. Open the app or website, enter your credentials, and head straight to the dashboard. Once you're in, navigate to the Orders section. This is where all your recent and ongoing orders are listed. Look for the specific order that has the rehearsal packaging you want to cancel. It should show details like the item, status, and any add-ons. Now, click on that order to open its details page. Scroll down until you see options related to packaging or shipping preferences. PandaBuy usually has a section for packaging options or something similar. Here, you'll find the toggle or button for rehearsal packaging. Simply select the option to cancel it. It might say, remove rehearsal packaging, or opt out. Before you confirm, double-check if there are any fees or restrictions, as policies can change. After making your selection, hit the Save Changes or Update Order button. You'll likely get a confirmation pop-up, so review it carefully and proceed. PandaBuy might send you an email confirmation too, so keep an eye on your inbox. A quick tip: this process works best if your order hasn't shipped yet, so act fast. If you run into any issues, PandaBuy's customer support is pretty responsive. Just reach out via chat or email. And there you have it. You've just canceled rehearsal packaging on PandaBuy for 2025. This simple step can help you save money and streamline your shopping experience. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and let me know in the comments what other PandaBuy tricks you want to see. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.